Today I'm going to show you how to make textures for your graphics. And no, I'm not talking about how to apply textures to your graphics. I'm talking about actually making them from scratch. Yeah, you know, those textures you use to make your graphics look weathered or worn or whatever. You know, they come from somewhere. Somebody makes them from something. Would you think textures just grow on trees? Well, I guess they could. You could take a picture of a tree bark and turn that into a texture. You could take a picture of the concrete outside on the sidewalk and turn that into a texture. Now, you might be saying, why not just buy some online? Or better yet, just download some free ones. What are you, the no fun police? Making your own textures is just another way for you to add your own flair to your designs and just get a little bit more creative. And all you need is a camera and some photo editing software like Adobe Photoshop. All right, so now we're in my backyard and I'm just gonna take photos of regular everyday things, things like wood, dirt, concrete, anything that I think might make a good texture. You could take photos with your phone, but I am kind of wanting a little bit more high res, better quality photos, so I think it's better if I just take the DSLR. Another way to make textures is to just grab some black paint and some paintbrushes and just go to town on some white paper. You could take a photo of that, or if you have access to a scanner, just scan them into your computer. And so once you have all your photos, now is the time to bring them into Photoshop. And there's a number of ways you can turn those photos into textures, but the way I like to do it goes like this. First, you desaturate the image. Go to Image, Adjustments, Desaturate. This will take all the color out of your image. Then adjust the curves if necessary. This can really punch up the contrast. Next, play with the levels until you get something that looks good. To have only black and white here, no midtones around the edges. If necessary, bring the midtone slider all the way to the right. Then take all the white out of the image by selecting the white areas with the color range option and deleting them. This puts your texture on a transparent background. After that, you can save it as a TIFF, just the default settings will do fine. Then just bring it into Illustrator and apply it to your graphic. And there you have it, an easy way to convert your photos into textures. I mentioned earlier that people that buy textures online or download them for free are like the no fun police. And while I was joking, I do think there is something about making things from scratch that is more satisfying. I love doing things the DIY way, and if there's one thing that I want to preach on this channel, it's about the fun and the satisfaction of just making things and being creative. Whether it's through screen printing, art, design, whatever inspires you to get out there and start making stuff, you know, that's what I'm about. And I really hope that's something that resonates with you. Anyway, that's gonna do it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. You guys know how this works by now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.